Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
U Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalong unong ilam jong kaliang persya hapo ka ying dorbar thawan jong ka jilla menta kasngi ka arterik ubana jillio arajar arpuway ula peteng biang ye ka jinglet jorip ya ki jaka ajing sumar haki babon ki benta jong ka jilla hakani ka kenti baka sorkar kala penkre naga benta ban sumar ye ki breu ki balayabit ye ka jingpang klam COVID-19 kabalawan linshop teng hakani ka jilla hakani ka sen ka baar Kani kade ka sen ka baar bo Dr. Mukul Sangma unlet jurip ya ki jaka ajing sumar ki badan hapo ka nong ba Shillong kata sisngi hadin bo ulalet jurip ya ki jaka ajing sumar ki badan hapo ka West Chentia Hills District. Kani ka jinglet jurip jong uni unong ilam kaliang persya kalong ban pet hado kanu ka sorkar kala penbiang pura ya ki jaka ajing sumar hadin bo ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar thau an dangshen ulalumlang ya ki hindrup hongut ki MLA jong ka jilla ban yeter yatai bat ban pan jingmut ha ka bayadei bat ka jing yakun thma persya ya kani ka jingpang khlam kabalawan linshop ya ka jilla baro ka way.
In continuation to our review meeting, which was convened by the Honorable Speaker, where important observations were made and all the concerns were shared with the government. And in view of that, what has been done and what was assured and what has been fulfilled, we wanted to at least know from the ground zero. That's why we definitely needed to go to the ground zero. We went to Giant Hills yesterday. Today we are here. Now, certain necessity of ramping up the infrastructure related requirement were required to be done. What we have seen is that it is in the process. Still it is in the process. Whatever has been created are there, but what was needed more to save precious lives and to generate that kind of confidence amongst the frontline workers, they are still in the process of implementation. That is one part. Even as you see today, I think all those facilities for oxygenation and other things are still in the process. We have only tried to look at another aspect which is very crucial for us. Now, hopefully from the trend that we see, the second wave should slowly flatten. But what is on ground zero in rural areas is a matter of concern, because yesterday when I spoke to a few headmen of few villages and tried to know what is happening in the respective villages, I was little disturbed to hear that the village had number of members of the families were down with fever. Now there is a reluctance from people to come forward to get testing, to get themselves tested, and at the same time, the kind of conversation, the engagement with the community, which should be done in a more aggressive manner, is probably one thing. This is what I foresaw. I spoke to the concerned DCs of quite a number, 2 districts, where I received this information. So here we cannot have any sense of complacency. We need to have some auditing of every village. We have a system in place. We have the disease surveillance system put in place. It has been there for donkey's years. It is one of the most vibrant disease surveillance systems in the whole world. Therefore, it should be activated much more aggressively to know what exactly is happening in every village. Is there a reason for us to worry? Are there incidents of any cases which give us reason to believe or suspect incidents of COVID-19 in those villages? And therefore, that will give us a clear picture. That is what we have discussed. We have discussed with the district administration that is of crucial importance. Otherwise, the virus will be in our vicinity. Even though we have the, that perception that, okay, the second wave is flattening, it's declining, so it's time for us now to, restore our normal life. Then suddenly you have the viruses in our vicinity, in the rural areas, it will come back. So in order to ensure that it doesn't happen, the proper auditing of every village is important. Since the virus has entered, since we are still at war against this virus, therefore if the enemy is in our vicinity anywhere, we have to be very, very clear. Only when we know that, okay, there are no more enemies hiding anywhere, then we know what to do. So this is one crucial aspect which we have shared with district administration. We'll continue to do so.